Hey, little man. Who's a better driver, mommy or daddy? Who's a better driver? You? No, mommy or daddy, not you. Who's a better driver? Huh? It all depends on certain factors? What? Is that right? You can't answer the question? You want to hurt our feelings? Okay. There has to be one at least, come on. Other than you. You've driven with mommy and daddy before in the back seat. Who's a better driver? I know you could have. Huh? Really? What else?
Yeah, we have a question for you. Okay, who's a better driver, mommy or daddy? What is that? Okay. Can you... So, I guess mommy's the better driver?
Yeah, right.
Okay, so thinking about it, huh?